Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. If you're new here, today we are doing a grocery haul. Just need to stock up some things for the week. I have a ton of stuff already in the pantry, the freezer, and the fridge that need to be used up. So I picked up some necessities, some things we were out of, and a few things to throw together some really delicious meals for the week. I am going to be filming some dinners, so stay tuned for that. I also have a meal prep video coming out soon, so that's exciting. But let's go ahead and jump into the haul. Okay, jumping right into the haul. We'll start with the non-food. I got another one of these blender bottles just for Morgan to have in his truck whenever he does shakes. Got some eggs. These are going to be for meal prep this week. A big thing of lean ground beef. This is going to be for meal prep and for some dinners. I also got the perfect portion salmon. I love this at HB. It's $8, 2 pieces. Perfect for me and Morgan. Some chicken breast. I actually ordered just like the regular grilled one, but I guess they were out, so I had to get the fajita, which is fine. They just like replaced it for the grocery pickup. This is going to be for this noodle bowl thing that I found at Trader Joe's. I think it's just noodles and sauce, so I want to add some veggies and protein to that. I also picked up some baby bell mushrooms. I have some leftover spinach dip. I thought I would stuff in here and air fry them or bake them. I thought that would be a fun side dish to have for the week. I also got a zucchini, 2 Roma tomatoes, a lemon, just in case I want it for the salmon, 2 very large red bell peppers. They were on sale this week, so I got 2. Are these not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I've never had mini bananas, but I just, curiosity got me, and these were only $1. So I picked up a mini bunch of bananas along with a regular bunch of bananas, baby spring mix for a couple different things, a meal prep, side salads. These mini pepper bites. I also have a leftover buffalo chicken dip from Trader Joe's, and I thought I would stuff it in there and air fry it. I think I saw that somewhere on Instagram. A couple ranches. This is my favorite. I use this one all the time. The Boathouse Farms Classic Ranch. Only 45 calories for 2 tablespoons. Love this stuff. This is my Guilty Pleasure Ranch. I'm obsessed with this. It's seriously so good. Not as good on the calories as you can see, but is totally worth it on some days with pizza. Love it. Also picked up some green chilies for like a taco boat thing I'm going to make, which I'm going to use these soft tortilla bowls. They're like little flour tortilla bowls, 160 for 2 of them. So that is going to be new and in my meal prep video. Stay tuned for that. Also, we're completely out of breadcrumbs, panko, so I went ahead and picked up both, mostly so I could use it on those mushrooms, but random recipes call for this, and it's just good to have on hand. Also got some of Morgan's creamer. We needed to restock that, and the stuff for my iced coffee. So I've been loving just oat milk. I get the low-fat one, a little bit less in calories. And this week I picked up the sugar-free vanilla syrup. I've been having the brown sugar cinnamon one, which is delicious. So I'm going to see if I like the vanilla just as much. Of course, my sparkling water, a case of that. And also these fruit and grain strawberry cereal bars. We've been loving these for just a grab and go situation. Hey y'all, can you hear me if the air is on like this? It's hot in Texas, y'all. It's hot. Ask your Texas friends if they're okay, because it's 1,000,000 degrees. Anyways, also doesn't help. It's so rainy and muggy. Well, like at the moment it's not, but like it has been and it will continue to be. And I swear that humidity, it just kills me. Anyways, it's the next day. I wanted to include this in my grocery haul video just because I picked up some random work snacks. Kind of have had a little stash at work and it's depleted at this point. So I needed to add some extra things. Sometimes I don't really plan a lot of breakfast foods because I feel like I meal prep for breakfast and then I'm not in the mood to eat. Like I'm not hungry for breakfast, so then I don't eat it. So I'm trying to just keep little things on hand because occasionally I'll have a morning where I feel like if I don't eat something, I'm going to pass out. Like, I don't know what that is. Like some mornings I'm starving and other mornings I'm not. Or sometimes it's 10:45 and I'm like, I want to eat lunch right now. So I just need something to hold me over. So I grabbed a few items. I do usually bring a banana to work with me. And then like random fruits and veggies throughout the week that I keep at home, I'll bring for specific days. But I don't really want like random fruits and vegetables just sitting in the office, like on the table or whatever. So I did pick up a few things though I want to show you. So I picked up some cheese sticks. I have room in my mini fridge for these. This is Gouda and extra sharp cheddar. So there's, you know, this, I would assume this one's Gouda and this one is extra sharp cheddar. They're 80 calories per cheese stick, and I just thought that would be a good little quick snack to have. And I already have some little crackers, I think. I have to double check, but I'm pretty sure I still have crackers in there, so that'll go well. I also picked up these. Me and Morgan are kind of going through a phase with these little cereal bars, the soft ones. They're basically like Nutri-Grain bars. We're obsessed. These are 130 calories, really easy grab and go. Morgan's been taking one pretty much every day to work so that he can have some after his coffee or with his coffee, and I wanted to pick up some for work. I thought that would be a good little quick breakfast type item I could have on mornings where I'm feeling starved. I also picked up these little cereal bars. I've never seen the Reese's ones in the store. And like a little fun treat, maybe an afternoon treat. They're only 110 calories, so really I could fit that into any day. And it's just fun. I love Reese's Puffs cereal. I know some people think that's gross, but it's like one of my favorite cereals ever. So I wanted to see if that can give me that fix of the cereal. I also picked up, well, I got lunch today. It's kind of a long story. I didn't have time to meal prep last night. We made dinner and Morgan wasn't feeling well and we were just chilling, you know, didn't meal prep, but it's okay. Things happen. I did pick up a sushi roll. This is the Houstonian roll is what they're calling it. It's salmon, tuna, avocado, and a wasabi, like whatever those little beads are on the top. So I did pick up that. This is 330 calories, 18 grams of protein. I went for a lighter roll today because my dad at work brought this like peach cobbler thing. I have no idea how many calories that was, but he like brought me a plate. So I did eat that and that was breakfast. So I wanted something a little bit lighter. And then the last thing, we have these at work for like our like work bin snacks, which you like leave a quarter and like take a snack or whatever. But we get the kind where it's like an assortment. So there's not very many of these and these are the only kind that I like. I'm obsessed with them, specifically the Lance Toasty. It has to be. I just think that these are the best peanut butter crackers that exist. And every time I go to the kitchen to get one, they never have them. So, because we don't get that many of them in the assortment. So anyways, this is 180 calories. It's like a 6-pack of peanut butter crackers. Guilty pleasures, you know? Sometimes little work snacks. Just gotta pick something random. Sometimes I bring like hummus to have with pita chips and things like that. Like I said, I usually always bring a fruit with me and I try to cut up vegetables every week to have some of that in the afternoon. But I'm not gonna lie, I love my random snacks. So I did add those, and these are not something like I would need all 3 of these on the same day, but just little options to have when I'm really needing something and I didn't bring a snack for the day or whatever. So I did get those things. Also skincare, I picked up just some makeup remover. Nothing special about that. I buy literally the cheapest brand because I use these makeup erasers that I love. They're like little cloths, which they say you can use them with just water, but I find that tugs on my skin when you just put water on them. So I like this little makeup remover. It's oil free, but it's very soft. And it just dissolves the makeup really easily. And I don't feel like I have to rub on my skin and my eyes so much. So if you go to H-E-B and you want like a $3 makeup remover that will last forever, this is a good one. It's just like the Hill Country brand. And I picked up my CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. I'm obsessed with this. I use it every single day. It's the cheapest that I've found at H-E-B, which I know is like a regional grocery store in Texas, but it's like $13 here. Whereas if you look like Amazon and sometimes Target, it's like $16 or $17. So that's what's going on with me. I just wanted to pop in, do this little grocery haul. I think I forgot to talk about the meal plan. Is there something in my eye? So I don't think I talked about the meal plan yesterday like I meant to, but yesterday we had like a Trader Joe's meal. I'm going to do a full dinners video so you'll see, but just to give you a gist of what I bought and what I'm making with it. We had like a random frozen Trader Joe's dinner last night of Kung Pao chicken and rice. It was delicious. I bought the salmon, which was going to be 2 different meals because we thought Morgan was leaving for work, but now he's not. Like I thought he was leaving town, but it got pushed back. So anyways, we're going to have salmon one night. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to cook it. It'll probably be tonight. I was thinking like a balsamic style for me. He might want to do his differently, but I'm thinking like a balsamic situation over those like mixed greens, the like baby spring mix that I bought. That would also be dressed with like a balsamic and olive oil situation. And then on the side, spinach stuffed mushrooms. I feel like that just sounds amazing. So I think I'm gonna have that tonight, if I'm in the mood to get that fancy. What else we got? Oh, we have a lot of ground beef. Part of it I'm going to use for some lunches for the rest of the week, and the other part I'm going to use for probably some Mongolian garlic beef bowls that we love. So we just do like ground beef, this garlic sauce with rice and vegetables. I have lots of stir-fry frozen vegetables from that one time I bought like a 5-pound bag. So trying to get through those. And also I'm going to have one night the Trader Joe's garlic noodle bowl, and I'm going to add in that frozen chicken that I bought along with some of those extra frozen vegetables. That's going to be delicious. I'm interested to see how much is in the bowl, if I could stretch that to 2 meals for me and Morgan with the vegetables and chicken, or if it's really just 1 meal. But the noodles themselves are only like 400 calories, so I feel like that is cool. And if it's good, I might buy some to keep in my work cabinet for days that I don't have a lunch and just need something easy. That wouldn't have to be in the work fridge, taking up room from other people, or from my little mini fridge, which mainly just holds like drinks and my meal prep for like 1 to 2 days. And it could just sit in the cabinet. So we'll see. Anyways, just wanted to catch up with y'all. Hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to stick around to my channel, I would love to have you. I share all my life stuff, random home stuff, fashion stuff. My health journey is #1. I'm always doing lots of food related videos because I love food. And yeah, I'd love to have you here. So I hope y'all having a great week. Let me know if you found anything cool in your grocery haul this week, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.